Now they drew the hidden line, we got to make it look like a hidden line. Step 5. Change the line type and line weights for the hidden lines. So I select my hidden line. I will change my line weight for a hidden line, which is 0.30. And I need to change my line type. Yours does not have the word hidden on it. You have to go to click on Other. You will go to Load. Right now you will not see the word hidden. You will go to Load. You will scroll and find on the far left side the word hidden lines, or hidden, excuse me. Here's the 3 line types. Okay, we're going to be using hidden. Hit OK. There it is right there. Click OK. Now you select this line and switch to the hidden line. Okay, and that line is a hidden line type. That's the end of step 5. Step 6. Add all dimensions according to ANSI standards. It's important to look up here before you dimension anything. If I were to pick the dimension command, every dimension line I have is going to look like a hidden line. We obviously don't want that to happen. So you need to switch this back to by layer before you add any dimensions. Before you dimension, ortho needs to be on. There's a big discussion we'll have later on regarding dimension settings. For now, your settings are sufficient as they are for you to dimension. I say that because my numbers will be smaller and look different than yours, but your dimensions should be adequate for this drawing. So, how to dimension? It's as simple as this. You pick this command here, which is called linear. With object snap on, you grab endpoints, and then you pull the number where you want it to go. There will be other smaller dimensions added. If you place a dimension, you just could pick it and grab these grips, these are called grips, and move them up or down to whatever length you need. There are rules for that, but for now that's not important. Dimension first of all the overall width, the overall height, and the overall depth of your drawing to make sure all 3 of those features are always there. The overall width, height, and depth. Then you can add the other details and contours like you see here. Dimension, grabbing endpoints and placing the dimension. Grabbing endpoints and placing the dimension. Grabbing endpoints, place the dimension. Grabbing the endpoints, place the dimension. Then you just grab the endpoints. You'll have 2 options obviously, but this time you'll choose the vertical distance and finally this measurement here. Okay, add all dimensions according to ANSI standards. Before you save, make sure your name is on the drawing, your title's on the drawing, it is full size, the date you finished the drawing, the course, this is CAD100, it is online, and this is Lesson1A. I would recommend when you save your drawings, always use Save As. I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I want you to name this drawing Lesson1A. Click on Save. Then submit it to me online. This is the end of the lesson.